Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to install macOS Sonoma on Windows laptop. So let's begin. So before we begin the macOS Sonoma installation, you will need at least 32 gigabytes of USB flash drive to installing macOS Sonoma because this images file can up to 18 gigabytes on normal USB. So you can use 32 or 64 gigabytes USB if you want. Now let's begin the installation. Now go to your browser. Now you're gonna type Larila vanilla images. And now you're gonna choose this website. Scroll down. Scroll down until you find the Larila vanilla images. And now you're gonna scroll down until you find the Larila images. And now choose choose this. Remember, I put the link in the description, so make sure to check it. So here's the Larry Sonoma images. So the next, you just click on my default download link here, but I've already got the macOS Sonoma images, so I need to download it. Next, you're gonna download Boliner Etcher. Now you're gonna choose Mini Tool Partition Wizard. Next thing is you're gonna download Explorer Plus Plus. I'll put the link in the description so you guys make sure to check it. Now, to create an EFI file, we will download hardware sniffer and opcore civil file. Now, you're gonna download hardware sniffer. Visit this website. Now you're gonna click on code, download Z. Now the next thing is you're gonna download is no. This hardware sniffer, you're gonna delete it. Now go back to the website. You're gonna choose 2.0 here. Now you're gonna click on hardware sniffer.exe. Now you're gonna download opcore simple file man. Now visit this website. Now you're gonna click on code and now download Z. Alright, so you're done. Now, first thing first, you will plug in your 32 gigabyte USB or 64 gigabyte USB inside your laptop. So you can see here my laptop recognized my USB. Now, first thing first, you're gonna set up is Boliner Etcher. Now you're gonna click on Flash from File. Now you're gonna click on. Now you're gonna choose your macOS install images here. Now you're gonna click on select target. Now choose your USB. Now you're gonna click on flash. The next thing is you're gonna download. You're gonna do is you're gonna run hardware sniffer as administrator. Now make sure your BIOS has got UEFI firmware like this. And now you're gonna choose letter H. Enter. And now you're gonna choose letter A. Alright, you're done. Now the next thing is you're gonna do is run ACPI dump as administrator. And now you're gonna extract opcore simplify man. Now you're gonna run opcore simplify man as administrator. Now you're gonna choose number one. Now go back to your Dell folder. And now you're gonna choose result. And now you can see there's a file called report.json here. Now go back to your command prompt. Now you're gonna drag the file called report.json to your command line and you're gonna press enter. And now it's all blue like this, that means you're good to go. Now I'm gonna choose the macOS version that you want to install. So I'm guiding you how to install macOS Sonoma. So I would choose 23 Sonoma. And now you're gonna drag the ACPI table folder into your command line. Drag like this. Press enter. And now it's asking you which text file you want to choose. It's up to you. So you can pause at this point to watch and choose your text file. So I will follow the recommend um, of the command line itlmw. Now you're gonna choose customize as a mouse model. So at this point, you can see here white mean it's already selected. It's mean you can select it, or if it's green, it means selected for you. So now open Task Manager, and then you're gonna choose Performance tab, and now you're gonna check your system to see if it's matched as this command line. So you can see the i7 8 generation is the same as me, and it doesn't has got the direct GPU. So I'm just running onboard graphics card. So I'm gonna choose MacBook Pro 15,2. And now you're gonna choose um now you're gonna choose letter number uh, 60. Now you're gonna choose build open core EFI. And now if your macOS, if your Intel Wi-Fi card support macOS, it's gonna ask like this. So, mm, alright, if you want, it's up to you. If you want to choose, you can now press yes, or if you don't want, you can choose no. So I would choose yes. Alright, this is the audio driver. So for Realtek 7000 series. So I will follow the recommend line. So I can't find another Dell series for this. So my Dell series 5000 series. Alright, you're done. So now the next thing is you just wait for the USB to complete the flashing step. Alright, so when the USB complete flashing file, you're gonna close the window. Now I'm gonna set up the mini tool partition wizard. So when it's asking you to format the USB drive, you don't need to format it because Windows reading file is completely different from macOS. Now I'm gonna set up mini tool partition wizard. Now you just follow the setting things like normal. Now I'm gonna click on launch mini tool partition wizard and click on finish. Now when it's popped the window like this, now you're gonna search for your USB and find this EFI partition here. Now you're gonna click on it, right click, and then you're gonna choose change letter. Now change any letter you want. Now you're gonna click on apply here. Alright, so close me to partition wizard. And now you're gonna set up Explorer++ for me. Now you're gonna run Explorer++ as administrator. Now find your EFI partition here. And now you're going to delete all the EFI file here. Permanently delete it. Remember, don't merge or copy over the EFI file because it's gonna display an kernel panic issues. Now go back to your EFI. Choose Op Core Simple File Map. Now you're gonna choose the folder called Result here. Now you can see the EFI folder here. Right click, choose Copy. Now go back to EFI partition again here. And then you're gonna paste over it. Alright, so when I finish the copying file, now check your laptop if it's enough battery. So I'm just running on 14% battery, so I'll grab a charger. And also remember to connect to the Ethernet before we begin the installation. Alright, so we're done. Now let's begin the installation. First restart your laptop and then head into your laptop and head into the BIOS. And now on Dell laptop, to press into the BIOS key, you're gonna press F2 for Dell laptop. F2 for Dell laptop. So when you successfully boot into the boot menu, now you're gonna choose boot sequence right here. And now remember, choose the boot as UEFI. And now you're gonna go to system configuration. And now you're gonna choose state of operation. Remember, choose state of operation is AHCI for me. Now also remember to turn off the secure boot. So when you finish, click on apply and then exit. Now you're gonna press the key that head into your boot menu. So on Dell laptop, the boot menu key is F12. Now you're gonna choose your USB. So my USB UEFI Kingston Data Traveler. Now you're gonna choose install macOS Sonoma. Alright, so you just wait for the code to load. Alright, so when this screen pops up, it means you done correctly. Now you just choose the language into English. And now you're gonna choose this utility. Now you're gonna choose the disk that you've already created to install macOS. So this is the disk that I already created to install macOS. Now I'm gonna click on erase. Now if you want to rename it again, you can rename, or if you don't, you can keep. So remember, format this thing into APFS, stand for Apple. Now click on erase. Now I'm gonna click on done. Now close this window. Now I'm gonna choose install macOS Sonoma. Continue. Now I'm gonna click on continue. And now I choose the disk that you want to install macOS, so here's the disk. Now I'm gonna click continue. Now just wait for the installation to complete. Alright, so when the setting up completes, now it's gonna restart your laptop automatically, and then press into the boot menu key, and then choose your UEFI USB. Now you're gonna choose the macOS disk. so you just begin to wait for it to load again. When it's restart again, now you're gonna choose your USB again. Now it should show the macOS. Now another time, wait for the code again. Alright, say hello to your new MacBook Pro. So when the screen pops up, it means you done correctly. Alright, so we're gonna do the next thing is setting up your new macOS. So, oh, we've got some audio driver, but shut. Alright, I need you. I don't need your instruction. I'm sorry. Alright, cool. So select a country region. I'm in Vietnam, so I'll select Vietnam. Alright, continue. Now continue. Not now. Alright, so um audio and light key works perfectly. Continue. Not now. Sorry. If you want to sign your Apple ID account, you can sign right now or you can click on sign up later. Skip. Agree. I agree. Now create your Mac computer account. So I'll create a Dell and the password from 1 to 9. Continue. Alright, so if you want to enable location and services, you can enable right now or you can click on continue like normal. Don't use. Alright, select your time zone. I'm in Vietnam, so I'll just select the time zone is Vietnam. Alright, I need you. Thank you. Set up later. Enable. I need. Alright, continue. Alright, so when this screen pops up, it means you're good to go. Wait. It's a little slow, kinda slow, and my laptop is pretty hot. Alright, so to receive the right information about my MacBook, my Dell laptop is i5 8th generation Intel HD 620 8GB DDR4 macOS. Right, it's done. So we're done. That is how you install macOS Sonoma on Windows laptop. So if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on the like, shares button and watch my new video. And I will see you in the next video soon. Goodbye.